To replace the cleaning head module, start by turning the robot upside down. Use a screwdriver to remove the edge sweeping brush. Loosen the 5 screws that secure the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. Press the bin release button to remove the bin. Loosen the 4 screws that retain the cleaning head module. Remove the module. Replace the cleaning head module. Tighten the 4 retaining screws. Install the bin. Replace the bottom cover and tighten the 5 screws. Make sure the bottom cover is flush with all sensors. Replace the edge sweeping brush and tighten the screw.